Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on or off auto-update apps on Android in just a few steps. So, let's dive in. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Then, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings. Next, tap Network Preferences to expand the options. Now, select Auto Update Apps. Here, you'll see a few different options. You can choose to update apps using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Use limited mobile data for important updates, or select Wi-Fi only if you want to save your mobile data. For most people, Wi-Fi only is a good option. Once you've selected your preferred option, your apps will automatically update whenever new versions become available, and that's it. Now you don't have to manually check for app updates anymore. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more helpful Android tips. Thanks for watching.